Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to compare eToro with Coinbase. I think they are both good platforms for buying cryptocurrencies, but one is much better. And let me show you which one. So, when you would come here to Coinbase, you have two options and two ways how you can buy Bitcoin. You can simply click here, View Asset. I'm going to move my camera. On the right side, you can simply go buy of 100 euro, or like let's say 1000 euro, and preview the buy. And you can see the Coinbase fee would be 38 euro. Okay, just remember the number because I'm going to compare it with eToro. 38 euro, I'm going to pay a fee. But what you can do if you register through the link down below in the description and register with $10 for free if you register on Coinbase. If you want to do it for Pro Coinbase is, I'm going to move my camera again. Pro Coinbase is extension of all the markets where you can trade and like sell other cryptocurrencies. That's like Coinbase, but Coinbase Pro. And here, if I want to buy a amount of 1000 euro of Bitcoin, see, BTC euro, I'm going to pay fee 5 euro, not 48. So you want to do this way. You want to fund a Coinbase account and then just send it, those 1000 euro to Coinbase Pro and buy it here. 5 euro fee, and that's much better comparing to 38 on Coinbase. And now let's compare with eToro. In eToro fees, it's initial investment 1000 USD, so that's like 800 euro, not 1000. That's 4 euro fee in Coinbase. On eToro, you get 750. 750, that's like 6 euro, right? So you see it here that eToro got higher fees, but not only that, eToro only allows you to trade in USD. So if you're from the Europe, if you're from the East, you need to always convert money from your own currency to the currency of USD and to the dollar. And this is also a disadvantage because you're gonna pay conversion fee. So not only the fee when you're gonna buy Bitcoin, but also the fee when you want to actually convert the money to dollar. So because of these two reasons, eToro is losing the battle comparing to Coinbase. And again, if you want to free $10, you can register on Coinbase down below in the description through the link. But again, I'm not paid by Coinbase on eToro. I'm just giving you the data and the truth. And you see here the spreads, 0.75. Ethereum got 190, 245. And also, like when you would come here, how it feels to trade, I think that Coinbase Pro is much faster comparing to eToro. I've been using both, I've been testing them a lot, and I can go here and write Bitcoin, right? Simply click on it, you got a feed, you got a stats, you got a chart here, and you can go to top right and click trade. And now you can buy and sell. And here, it's just like much prettier, much faster, and you have more coins. You see right here what you can actually do. And then you can simply send it to Binance if you want to. And this is pretty much it. Like even the funding account and everything is better. And another thing, you get a withdrawal fee in eToro. So that's another thing to think about. That when you want to withdraw money from eToro, many people report they had problems with withdrawing money. And then also when they even withdraw it, they got the fee of $10, I think it is. So you just need to be really careful. But eToro got a huge advantage comparing to Coinbase that you can actually copy people. So even when you don't want to invest into, let's say, cryptocurrencies, but you want to invest to something else, you have like a renewable energy here, and you just can copy simply. Like see crypto portfolio 200%, and you can see right before. Let me show you Bitcoin, Ethereum, ADA, and you see right here the increase. So it's in 2020. You see the increase like huge. 2019, 80 investors are increasing here. So this is really good. I mean, you don't have this on Coinbase, but what you can do is just simply buy it by yourself. So this is a huge advantage to eToro, that if you want to buy it through eToro, but the fees are higher. So this is something you need to keep in mind. And my recommendation, guys, is invest also to stocks. Don't go please all into to eToro or like to cryptocurrencies. I know that I don't know if I should talk about this on this video, but diversify your portfolio, right? Let me show you. So just I buy stocks on Trading 212 or also the Euro and buy some ETF every month. Go also save. Go the Bitcoin way with the risky stuff if you want to earn money, etc. But also go with the way of just buying stocks or creating multiple ways of incomes. Don't just put all your eggs to the one basket. I see many people just want to get rich fast on Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. That's a risky way to do it. Honestly, that's really risky. You want to go like 10%, 20% on Bitcoin. Okay, if you want to go like highly aggressive way, then go with stocks, with the tech stocks or e-commerce and payment processing like Shift4 Payments or Square, Cloudflare and others for long-term investing 5-6 years, and then also try to your own business. Or if you have if you can get higher paying job, go that way. It really depends. And yeah, but first also guys, build emergency fund. Even before that, you want to have an emergency fund of like for 4, 5, 6 months. That it really depends what is your safe emergency fund. For me, that's 3 years. That's who I am, and I like to have a lot of money on my account. Only because I know that if I decide, I can just chill out for 4 years straight and do nothing. And everything else that after I got my 4 years emergency fund, it took me like 1.5 years to get it. Right now I'm investing everything. I'm highly aggressive. Like, yes, I save money for the home, but other than that, I go, I don't know, what's my 60% I go ETF, 30% I go stocks, and 10% I got stocks. So if I want to invest €3,000 a month, I go like 1,600 into ETF, and other I go to stocks. And right now I want to invest to crypto, but this is like, I don't know to which one, honestly, because it's going up and down, and I think I'm just going to wait with buying crypto. But that's pretty much it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. To summarize this whole video, go and use Coinbase, don't use eToro for buying cryptocurrencies. Only use eToro if you want to actually buy and, how would I call it? If you want to copy the trades here, like copy the portfolios, that's how I would honestly do it. That's the like the best way. I believe in that. So yeah, let me know below in the comments what do you think about this video, and if you find this helpful and if it gave you kind of value, I'm really happy to hear that. Buying crypto on both of these platforms is quite simple. So thank you very much guys. Have a great day, peace, and get rich. You know how they say, get rich.